Have you ever felt exhausted? Not because of work or the people around you, but because of the memories you carry inside. We believe the more memories we hold on to, the stronger and wiser we become. But perhaps those very memories are the chains that keep us grounded. Let me tell you the story of a little bird. A simple tale, yet one that may leave you asking yourself, am I truly living in the present or slowly dying in the past? Once upon a time, in the heart of an ancient and vibrant forest, there lived a tiny bird with the gentlest of spirits. Unlike other birds who flitted from branch to branch and greeted each dawn with song, this little bird had a secret ritual all its own. Each day, as the sun filtered through emerald leaves and the air buzzed with the sweet scent of blossoms, it carefully observed the world around it. Every joy that danced in the light, every sorrow that lingered in the shade, the bird remembered. But it did not simply let these moments pass. Instead, it found small, smooth stones scattered along the mossy floor, and on each one, it etched the memory, sometimes with a mark, sometimes with a pattern, but always with care. Gently, it would tuck these stones into a little pouch near its wing, a treasure trove of memories, growing heavier with each passing day. At first, this ritual brought the bird a quiet kind of happiness. Each stone was proof that the moment had happened, that its life was rich and full. The bird believed beautiful moments must be kept forever. Sad ones too, for they teach me what I need to know. And so the pouch filled, and the bird's heart swelled with the pride at the collection it carried, its very life gathered and preserved. But as days turned to weeks and weeks to seasons, the pouch began to weigh more. The bird's flights, once effortless and free, grew labored. Its wings, accustomed to dancing on the breeze, now beat heavily against the burden. Occasionally, the bird would stop mid-flight, perching on a branch to catch its breath, whispering to itself, "This is my treasure. I must protect it." The bird could not see what was happening, but perhaps you can. Like us, it clung to the past, believing memories would keep it safe, when in truth, they quietly stole away its freedom. One dusky evening, as the birds struggled through the thickening dusk, a wise old owl watched from a high bough. Noticing the sagging pouch and the slow, weary flapping, the owl called down, "Little one, why do you carry all this past with you?" The bird looked up, feathers ruffled and eyes bright with conviction. "This pouch holds my life," it answered softly. "Every joy, every sorrow, every lesson. Without it, who would I be?" The owl's voice was gentle but firm. "Memories are guideposts, not prisons. Are you living in the present, or are you trapped by what you refuse to let go?" The bird had no answer. It flew away, but each wing beat seemed heavier than before, as if the owl's words had added invisible weight to its already heavy load. Time passed, and the pouch swelled with stones. The bird could barely lift itself from the ground. Its wings trembled, and sometimes it stumbled, watching flocks of other birds soar high above, light as air. The bird's heart ached with longing, but it could not bring itself to loosen its grip. "If I let go," it thought, "will I still be myself?" The question echoed in its mind like a distant thunder. Then one night, a storm swept through the forest. Winds howled, rain lashed the trees, and the earth became slick and treacherous. The bird, desperate to shield its pouch, pressed forward against the onslaught. But at last, its strength failed. The weight of the stones pulled it down, and it slipped, falling beneath the burden it had carried for so long. The stones spilled from the pouch, crashing down, pinning the bird beneath them. Its wings, once so free, were now trapped and broken. The little bird lay still, hidden beneath the memories it had called its treasure. It was not a predator, nor fate, that ended its journey, but its own unwillingness to let go. When the sun returned, a few birds gathered, but the little bird was gone. The owl stood nearby, sorrow etched in his wise eyes. Often what we cling to most tightly is what destroys us, he whispered. Memories are beautiful when released, but when chained to them, they become our prison. A single stone, glinting in the sunlight, shimmered atop the pile, radiant and empty. Above, the sky stretched wide and welcoming, but the bird's wings would never rise again. For us, this story serves as a gentle mirror. How often do we carry the weight of past joys that cannot return, or old wounds that refuse to heal? How often do we mistake holding on for wisdom, not realizing that we are only shackling ourselves? The past, whether radiant or painful, is gone. If we cling to it, we lose the strength to embrace today and step freely into tomorrow. So I ask you, are you soaring in the present or crawling under the weight of the past? Today, are you willing to release one stone of memory so your wings can be lighter? Remember this, we cannot change yesterday, but we can make today beautiful. Let go, forgive, move forward. If this story resonates with you, please like, share, and subscribe so its message can reach more hearts. I'll be back with another story to inspire you. Until then, stay patient, live with gratitude, and let your wings be truly free.